Hi, welcome to the Brian Show. I'm Brian, and I'll be reviewing Lego Harry Potter Hogwarts Express. It takes like 801 pieces to put together this whole set. Here's the train station, and the whole train put together, and these are the characters: Hermione, the professor, Harry, and Ron. And as you can see, this top, as you can see, the lady is there with them. And see here and here, when you lift this up, there's the luggage. And what you can do, what you see like from the train station is like you'll see a poster right there of Sirius Black, and the two newspapers of The Boy Who Lived, which is known Harry Potter. And here's the sign that says 9 3/4 and 9 and 10 on both ends. And here's the two stairs. And here's the clock. You can make it move like that, with that. And this is where the smoke comes through, just like in the movie. And this is there's the fire inside, as you can see right there. And this is what I like to call the passengers that sit in the train. And it took me like a few hours to build it. If you like my videos, hit like and subscribe. I am Brian. Thank you for watching.